Hi everybody. Word of the day is dads, and happy Father's Day to all the dads out there. I'll show you what I got on the grill today. I am cooking up some pork spare ribs. Now I kind of trimmed them a little bit. I didn't quite do a full St. Louis style trim on these. There's still a bone or two crossways here, but that was all meat on the end there. I did chop off the or trim off the rib tips. But these have been on for about 2 hours now. I'm getting ready to take them off and put them in foil with some brown sugar, honey, butter. Go on for another 2 hours and then come out in the foil, and we'll sauce them up and let them finish off. I got to thinking, though, I may trim that one end off when I go into foil, and I'm going to use the rib tips and that piece to just kind of experiment with my ingredients inside the foil. So that's what we're having today. Thanks for looking, and we'll see you tomorrow.